Importance and ways of taking care of yourself for OCD. Taking care of yourself for OCD is important for two reasons: 1, so people can have more compassion and understanding for those with the disorder, and 2, so that people may have an easier time getting access to effective care. If you don't understand that the intrusive thoughts in your head may be a symptom of OCD, how do you ask for help? Here are some well-researched OCD-related stress reduction strategies. 1. Recognize when you are feeling stressed. Some signs are increased heart rate and blood pressure, change in sleep patterns, difficulty concentrating, worry, irritability. You may even find that your mood is affected and you feel anxious yourself. 2. Mindfulness meditation. Join a mindfulness-based stress reduction or MBSR group to help manage stress with a daily meditation practice. They usually meet for 8 sessions and help you learn and start developing the habit of practicing mindfulness meditation every day, which has been shown to help people manage stress. 3. Exercise. All forms of exercise have been shown to reduce symptoms of stress, including walking, running, aerobic exercise, yoga, tai chi, qigong and pilates. Recent research also suggests that exercise may be directly beneficial at reducing OCD symptoms. 4. Emotional support. Having the opportunity to talk with a non-judgmental friend or family member is important when stressed. Joining a family support and education groups can also be helpful to gain perspective. 5. Nature. Research has shown that taking time to be in nature reduces stress. Even a short walk can be helpful. 6. No one is perfect. This may seem obvious, but when there is suffering in a family, you can lose perspective and feel that you should not take a break until everyone else is okay. 7. Professional counselors and psychiatrists. Professional support, whether in the form of individual, couple or family counseling, can at times be the best help for dealing with stress. If you or someone else in your family is depressed, anxious or having thoughts of harming his or herself or others, this is the time to reach out to a professional. 8. Scheduling in time for activities that you enjoy. Often when individuals are trying to support a loved one with a problem like OCD, they may forget to keep up their own interests and pleasurable activities. Obsessive thoughts and compulsive behaviors, and the anxiety that comes with them, can take up massive amounts of time and energy. Though medication and therapy are the main ways to treat this lifelong condition, self-care is a secret weapon with plenty of side benefits. You can contact us if you need professional mental health treatment from an experienced psychologist and psychiatrist. You can check our description to get the full address. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to get more important videos and comment to ask any questions related to